Question answer chapter 9 class 6th. Very short answer type and short answer type question. Question 1. What is a habitat? Come to its answer. The area or surrounding in which an organism lives is called its habitat. Habitat means the place or the area or surrounding where an living organism lives. So this place is called its habitat. Now question 2. What is meant by adaptation? Now come to question number 2. What is meant by adaptation? Now answer. The presence of specific features or certain habits of an organism which help it to survive in its surrounding are called adaptation. Children, adaptation means that there are some change in the habit or behavior or structure of the organism which help it to survive in its habitat. Question 3. What are the two main categories of habitats? Its answer. The two main categories of habitats are aquatic and terrestrial habitats. Habitat, this is of two types, aquatic habitats and terrestrial habitats. Now question 4. Give two examples each of terrestrial and aquatic animals. Children, come to its answer. Terrestrial, camel, lion. You can give any answer. Aquatic, dolphin, octopus. Children, in these questions you can write any animals examples which are terrestrial or aquatic. Now short answer type question. Question number 1. Write two adaptive features of fish. Children, in this question you have to give answer of how fish is adapted to live in water. Now come to its answer. A fish has fins which make it changes its direction. Means a fish has fins and fins help a fish to change its direction as well as in swimming. Second point, it has gills which help it to absorb the dissolved oxygen present in water. Children, I think you understood. Fish has fins, fish has gills, and both these features help it to live in water. Now question number 2. How is a camel adapted to live in a desert? Children, camel, this is a desert animal and it is adapted to live in desert. How? Now come to its answer. A camel has a hump in which it can store food and water. In a hump, a camel can store food and water. Second point, its long legs help it to keep its body away from the heat of the desert sand. And third point is the skin is dry and padded hooves help it to walk on sand. Its skin is dry and its padded hooves help it to walk on sand. Question 3. How can you show that plants respond to stimuli? Children, come to its answer. Many plants bend towards the source of light, and the roots of many plants grow deep into the earth in search of water. Some flowers bloom only at night. So these are all responses of plants to stimuli. The plants which bend towards the source of light, they are showing phototropic movements. The roots growing deep into the earth, they show geotropic movement. Question 4. Why should the waste be removed from the body? Children, answer. Living organisms absorb all the nutrients from their food. the portion of the food left after absorption of nutrient. This is called waste and has to be thrown away so that it does not harm the body. So the waste be removed from the body, otherwise they collected in our body and start affecting it, and they sometimes they prove to be poisonous. So the waste should be removed from the body. Question number 5. How has cactus modified itself to live in a desert? Come to its answer. The stem of the cactus plant is fleshy and swollen to retain water. It is green as it prepares food by photosynthesis. Leaves have turned into spines to minimize the water loss by transpiration. The roots go deep down under the soil in search of water. Waxy coating on the stem prevents water loss. These all are the adaptation of cactus for living in desert condition. Now question 6. Why do animals adapt themselves to the habitat in which they live? Now answer. Animals adapt themselves to the habitat in which they live in order to survive. This means adapting to the to be able to survive the climatic condition of ecosystem, predators and other species that compete for the same food and space. Children, we can say adaptation helps an individual to survive in its habitat in the different climatic conditions in the presence of predator and other species with which they compete for the same food and space.